Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix Microsoft Store not installing apps in Windows 11. So whether it's stuck or pending or downloads never start, I've got a fast fix that works in minutes. Let's go. So you might see the store stuck on pending or apps just won't download at all when you try to download apps here directly from the store, because sometimes the install button doesn't work or nothing happens when you click on install or get in here. So first trick, you can try to reset the Microsoft Store. You can go to settings, apps, install apps, and then just find the Microsoft Store in here. Basically just find the Microsoft Store and then click on advanced options and then just hit on reset. And the second method, you can clear the store cache. So if the first tab doesn't work, you can try clearing the cache by pressing on Windows plus R on your keyboard, and in here you can just type WS reset and then hit on enter or click on OK, and just like that, now the Microsoft Store will open automatically. And next, you can also check the Windows updates. So make sure that your Windows is fully updated by going to the settings, click on the Windows update, and here install any pending updates. If there's a pending update available, you can just tap on install or in here, especially if the store was just updated. So if you're still stuck, you can also make sure that you already signed in into a Microsoft account and that your internet connection is stable, because the store won't install apps on a local account or weak connections. And that's how you can fix the Microsoft Store in just minutes. If your apps are installing now, smash that like, subscribe, and click on the thanks. Bye!